Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove background from your photo using AI PixFix. The main thing you need to know about AI PixFix is that it's completely free, unlimited, and your files never leave your browser. First of all, we need to open website. Link is on the screen and also in the description. Now select Remove Background, and I'm going to use this photo as an example. And you need to know that here is no any size limits, and after downloading the photo will stay in the same size as original photo. So, image is done, background has been removed, but let's imagine that we don't like something in that, how background has been removed. We can click Edit manually. So, what we can see here, two eraser tools and restore brush. Let's make a little bigger. And for example, fix this place. Perfect. Restore brush. Restore brush we need if something important was deleted by the incident, and I'm showing just for example. We can do something like this. And if we don't like our editing, we always can use button undo. So, I like everything here, and let's save our picture. Here we can download PNG file or continue working with it, for example using compress image. But about this tool we'll continue speaking in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel to not miss all next tutorials about all available tools on the AI PixFix platform. Feel free to leave comments, share your opinion or experience about using AI PixFix. And don't forget to like this video, I'd really appreciate it. Bye!